Happy New Year! Bagong taon, renewal din ng mga business permit ng ating mga negosyo. Dito sa amin sa City of Taguig, ang daming documentary requirements for renewal. Ito siya, meron na akong list dito. Kailangan natin ng application form na makukuha doon sa BPLO. Okay. Official receipt ng comprehensive insurance policy. Yan. Photocopy lang ng insurance. Photocopy of official receipt and notice of assessment. Wala pa tayo nito. Dahil naggagawa pa lang ng mga requirements for assessment. If applying for business permit through authorized representative, kailangan po may special power of attorney kapag sole proprietorship yung inyong negosyo. Kung one-person corporation, need din ng written resolution, partnership resolution, and sa corporation, secretary's certificate or board resolution. Kailangan din ng ID ng authorized representative and authorizing person. Pinakausap mo sa
Okay.
mga taxpayers. Okay lang.
Lakas mo kasi.
Alas mo ng boses ko. Sige. Dito tayo sa mga financial documents to be submitted to the City Treasurer's Office. Ito, basic requirements to. Every year, ginagawa namin to. So, photocopy of business permit of 2025 na business permit. Meron na ako dito. 2025 business permit. Okay. Photocopy. Next. Photocopy of business tax notice of assessment. Ito yung notice of assessment last year. Then, photocopy of 2025 official receipt. Photocopy yan. Sworn declaration of gross receipts. Meron na akong video tutorial niyan kung paano gumawa ng gross receipts. Tingnan nyo na lang sa aking video. Meron din doon sa video description ng template kung paano gumawa. Ano yun? Nandito na kanina. Okay. Meron na. Notaryuhan na lang. Then, audited financial statements for the calendar year 2024. Ito yung financial statements ng aking company for the year 2024. Ang year 2024 kasi ang deadline ay sa April 15, 2026 pa naman. So, ang isasubmit lang natin at required din sa munisipyo, sa City Hall, ay itong audited financial statements for the calendar year 2024. Photocopy lang. Ang dami nito pag i-photocopy. Income tax return for the calendar year 2024. Yan. Meron tayong electronically filed na ITR for the calendar year 2024. Dami pa akong i-photocopy. Check natin. VAT returns or percentage tax returns for the calendar year 2025. Ayun, meron na akong 2551Q. 3 quarters pa lang to. Kasi, ang fourth quarter ay para sa fourth quarter na quarterly value added tax return at saka quarterly percentage tax return. Ang deadline pa naman ng filing and payment ay sa January 25. So, kahit hindi pa available, kahit hindi pa bayad, pwedeng i-file Kahit hindi pa bayad, pwede. Submit. Okay, check. Photocopy of certificate of registration with articles of incorporation or DTI certificate. For corporation, certificate of registration sa Securities and Exchange Commission, and then articles of incorporation. Madali lang kapag sa sole proprietor, DTI. Business name registration, DTI. Then, ito na. Last na. Contract of lease kapag nagre-rent. Kapag hindi mo pagmamay-ari yung pwesto ng iyong negosyo. Okay. Complete na tayo ng ating requirements. For businesses naman with branches, kailangan po ng breakdown ng gross sales per branch. Itong aming company, may branch siya, pero within the city lang naman. So, naka-breakdown lang naman siya per branch. Okay, meron na ako per branch. Photocopy of business permit, notice of assessment issued for each branch for the year 2025. Meron naman ako dito for the branch. Nandito yung business permit ng branch. Okay. Original 2025 Community Tax Certificate. Itong Community Tax Certificate, doon na rin mismo kinukuha sa munisipyo. Yun na rin binabayaran sila. Okay. Sa mga tiga-tagig, ang deadline ng filing and payment ng ating business permit, renewal ng business permit for the year 2026 ay sa January 20, 2026. Sa ibang cities kasi and provinces, nag-extend sila ng deadline. For the past years, ang City of Taguig hindi talaga nag-extend. January 20 talaga yung deadline. Pero open naman sila Saturdays and Sundays para sa mga busy ng Monday to Friday. Okay. Thank you so much sa pag-follow sa aking channel at saka sa aking FB page. Bye!